Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about the data model we will be using during the course. So this is just a screenshot of the data model, and I've also given some definitions around the tables we are using. So roughly we've got 7 tables. So we've got the dim customer table, which contains information about the customer name, their demographic and stuff. Then we've got the date table, which contains information around date. So you could have week, year, month, week, then you've got month, then you've got quarter, then you've got year, and then you could have fiscal year and calendar year. So all that sort of information is put into one table called dim date. Then we have information about the customer geography, where the customer is located. We've got information about the products that the company sells. We've got information about the category, the product category to which the product belongs. And we've got information about the product subcategory to which the product belongs. And then we've got the main transaction table, which contains metadata or the information about the sales that we've done. So this is the main table, which will be used to drive the analytics or look at the trends over a period of time. So that's the fact and the net sales table. Outside of that, we'll also be covering a couple of additional sources which are not in this data model. One is the Microsoft SQL Server Analysis Services Tabular, and we will also talk about the Microsoft Dataverse. So we'll give you enough information, or I'll try to give you enough information around these additional sources as well. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.